The black market has resurfaced following the refusal of the ZIG by many retailers owing to its continued devaluation. Sana muna mashoko atakuona kuti panguva ino vakomana vaya vakuchinja mari manje aiwa zvangu black market yachizosimuka manje marets makuchinzwa achiskyrocketa. Sana muna mashoko mudanyirwa panapa achiona aiwa mashoko pachirefusa ZIG. Remember subscribe or like on the bell kuchipinda panapa mudanyirwa kwa mchinzi. Introduced in April last year, ZIG was meant to stabilize the economy and curb inflation. However, it rapidly lost value within 2 weeks of its launch, raising concerns about the government's failure to implement sound monetary policies. Despite this, authorities mandated businesses to accept ZIG, even as the government itself continued to require foreign currency for essential services such as fuel and passport fees. Zimbabwe's economic troubles are deeply rooted in years of policy mismanagement, corruption, and the lack of investor confidence. The country's history of monetary instability dates back to the early 2000s, culminating in the infamous hyperinflation crisis of 2008, when inflation reached an estimated 89.76 trillion percent in 2008. During this period, the Zimbabwean dollar became worthless, forcing the government to abandon it in favor of a multi-currency system dominated by the US dollar. However, in recent years, authorities have attempted to reintroduce a local currency, first with the RTGS dollar 2019, now the ZIG. These efforts have largely failed due to weak economic fundamentals, a lack of public confidence, and an absence of credible policies to support the currency. The government's insistence on using ZIG while continuing to demand foreign currency for critical services has further eroded trust in the financial system. Tomashwa mudanyirwa panapa tikuona kuti aiwa the ZIG panapa riri kurejectewa aiwa mumasupermarket panapa vanhu voya vachipiwa chenjedze kunzi aiwa panapa takutoona kuti machange money ndi marets zvava kutoingirisa munyika. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pane comment section medu. Dze mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.